A blessed day for everyone. For our daily verse, we are now at Exodus chapter 22 in verse 19. That is the punishment for having sex with an animal. So that is the Old Testament law or rule against bestiality or having an intercourse with an animal. So even before and even now, it is still illegal, or we can say that it is abnormal for someone to do bestiality because it's against our nature. It is against God and it is against the law of the land. So we need to treat our pet and farm animals as they are, as animals and not as sex slave. They are not sex slave, okay? And I believe those people who do bestiality, I can consider them as mentally ill. Because what are they if they are not mentally ill? No normal person will allow himself or herself to have an intercourse or sexual intercourse with an animals. Unless otherwise, they are mentally ill. Or maybe maybe they need to be a patient at a psychiatric hospital. So come what may happen, say no to bestiality. Okay? Okay.